Well, what's going on out there? Ooh, man. Already here at Waco, come in yesterday. I thought I'd do a little live video for everybody to see the turnout they got here at the Hotmac Club already. The temperature's beautiful, wind down the runway. Oh man, let me tell you something, the amount of people they have show up already. Check this out. Good to see you, Dustin McDaniel and Dave Tortuga. I'm gonna walk down the flight line and show you guys all the pictures here. Let me turn the camera around here. All right. And this is just Friday morning, man. Friday morning. Hey, Keith Fontenot, what's going on, buddy? Got some beauties here already at Waco, and this is just Friday. Man. Woo. Lots of famous people here. Yes, sir. All kinds of. Look at these guys. That's famous people here today. You've got Lawrence Harville. Yes, sir. Our District 8 rep. And Greg, the Godfather. Yancey. Yes. Do a little live broadcasting for everybody. Y'all should hear Greg. What did Greg say?
Y'all should be here.
Dude, it's going to be a record turnout by the looks of all the aircraft that's here. A record turnout. Super Dave.
Hey.
Say, get out here, everyone. Yes. And boy, looking in the pits here, man. You talk about already rocking and rolling for a Friday. Woo. Lordy. Yes, sir. Some beauties in here. Jimmy, tell everybody what they're missing out on. You're live, Jimmy.
You're fixing to miss out on a lot of fun.
Ooh, that's right. It's just Friday and already. Miss it all. See? Jimmy's telling you better get out here. How about this? How about Larry Garrett, the Waco kid, and all his aircrafts? Ooh, man. Y'all don't want to miss out on none of this. Some beauties out here this weekend. Finis, tell everybody what's going on. They're going to miss it if they don't get here.
They better get here fast.
That's right.
Woo.
It's going to be full, and it's going to be a record turnout, I'm thinking. All the way from the valley. The famous Bird, huh?
I don't know about that.
And his Zeroli Sky Raider. He's going to test fly it here shortly. Say it again. American Eagle, I'm sorry. There's so many Zerolis, I keep saying it's American Eagle Sky Raider. He's going to test fly it this morning. Yes, sir. Boy, there are some beauties here today. You've got to get here. Ooh, man, what's going on, Tom? Tom all the way from Austin. Got his planes here. You guys got to get here, man. It's going to be good. They already got it full. CD of the event. Tell everybody they better get here.
If you aren't here, you better get here.
That's right.
We're going to have a great event here in Waco this weekend.
It's going to be beautiful. Oh, look at that, man.
2 days of burning holes in the skies up here.
That's right.
Come see us.
Y'all best get ready. It's going to be a good one. Look at this. Woo! Legend Hobbies. How about that? The new street sign that you can buy. Tomas got him one. Awesome. Hopefully you're watching there, Tomas. Man, they've already, let's see, they've got, ooh, let's come back. Look what we got here, another supply of these. If you don't have one, man, you better get one for your shop, the Texas Warbird Thunder street signs. Get you some. Right. Let's see, let's get a count here. 29 pilots signed up already, and they are rolling in. Man, this is going to be an amazing event. Y'all better get here. This whole flight line is already full. I mean, I bet you there's 100 airplanes here. Look at this. Look at them. John Underwood. Space City, baby. They're here in Force. Let's come over here and take a look at Tom Kelly's hot rod. He says he's going to change it out to a little bit bigger wheels in a minute. Hang tight. Put those on. Yes. Let's keep walking down the flight line, show you. Man, there is some beautiful airplanes here already this weekend. Winds down the runway. It's going to be a blast. You better get here. Randy Rogers. Yes. We'll do some walking by. Look, look at all the RVs already here. Woo! Man, Down here on this end, how about some of your first pictures of one of the new Black Horse P40Cs owned by Ronnie Dean. Test flew it out yesterday and it looks good, man. All right. Ronnie with his F-16 getting it ready. 0. Ooh, it's gonna be awesome, brother. Just walking the flight line. Yes, yes, yes! And look at here. What is this? What? Ooh, Texas Warbird Thunder approved. That sticker right there says it all. That's right, man. It's going to be a good weekend. Y'all miss it. Look here. I'm not even to the end of the flight line yet. Look at all the RVs here in Waco, Texas. They're going to have a record turnout of pilots and aircraft this weekend. What's going on? Rick Carlo. Man, long time no see. Got you live, brother. Good to see you. Let's come up here and do the knuckle bump thing, I guess. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Yeah. Ooh. Stay with. Who's that?
Marcus.
Oh, really? No kidding. No kidding. Dang. Well, man, I'm glad you guys made it. This is gonna be. I think I saw Keith.
Yeah, he's up there.
I gotta say hi to him too.
Big stick there.
Wow.
9-decker.
Holy cow! Look at this. Now, how cool is that? Big stick 9-decker. That's pretty slick. Yes, sir. What's happening, fellas? Let's do a little live broadcasting. I gotta attract. We gotta get millions of people out here for this event. It's gonna be awesome. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So you better get here. I'm telling you, space is limited. They're running out. They're parking them on the lake. So get here today and don't miss it. But that is the entire flight line, boy. I'm telling you. Turn the camera back around here and hit the right button. Let's see, there we go. All right. Well, boy, it is beautiful out here today, folks. Check out, man, the flight line. They got this place looking fantastic. And how about a legend, ladies and gentlemen? The famous Keith Moody. How you doing, brother?
How you been?
Good to see you. It's been so long since I've seen Keith Moody. You want his autograph, you get here this weekend.
Yeah, and not only that, but I'm a better flyer than I ever was.
Yes, yes. Goodness, that's a neat looking 9-decker.
Hey, man,
awesome.
That's my Warbird, and that's my...
Big Bird, Warbird.
Not only is it a Warbird, it's also Drone Patrol.
Awesome, awesome. Y'all better get here, man. It's gonna be a great event. I'm telling you. Waco has made making a name for themselves on this one. Got a turbine up in the air being flown right now. Man, man, man. Well, this is just Friday, guys, and I'm sure when everybody gets off work, they'll be rolling in here this evening. So if you don't get here early. There's a bunch of people in airplanes. It's gonna be a beautiful event. I'm gonna sign off. Texas Warbird Thunder, get you some.